guys, I'm back. Did you miss me? No? Oh, okay, cool. Whatever. I have a hair review. The World of Gabrielle hair, as you guys can see. This is the card. Comes with a band, little edge brush, a wig cap too. This is a supposedly 30-inch. We'll see about that. Because last time, I promise you, I think I had got 28-inch. That was the hair from one of my Vlogmas videos. And I was like, this is definitely not a 28-inch. Because like, I'm 5'2", and the hair is right here. It's not a 28. Been wearing hair for a long time. I know it's 28 when I see it. But this is supposedly a 38. Glueless. Because if you know me, you know I don't know how to do hair. I'm not doing all that extra stuff. I love me a glueless wig, okay? It's glueless. Okay. It is really, really soft. I like it. I say I like it. I don't really know. I like it. Well, I like that it's soft. Is very little right now. This is her. This is her. What I will say is, so far what I see right now is the stitching is a little bit it's a little sloppy. Not too bad though. Not too bad, not too bad. I've seen worse, okay. But I'm about to put this cap on. Thick. So if you like really thick hair, or I'm not gonna say really thick, it's full. It's definitely full. And it go behind my ear. What helps? Okay. So let's see. Yeah. It's not giving right now. Is it giving? I don't know. Maybe if I cut all these baby hair things out of my face. This is not giving. It needs a little work, so hold on. Okay. Yeah, I do not know how to stone no hair. Don't smell that bad. I make that face, but it don't smell that bad. It just smell like regular like hair. You know, it's not a harsh smell, not a fishy smell, nothing like that. I literally just made that face just because I don't know. Okay, so this is Glueless. I did have to put like a little a little got to be spray on. I did have to do a little work, but for the price that this wig is, it is like it's under $100. Under $100. It's 30 inches. What? 30 Can you see? Inches. So yeah, it's fairly long. It's really full. It's a little shedding right now. Like, yeah. Not that much shedding. The cap is very... I actually really like the cap this week. It doesn't have combs in the inside, but it's very secure, surprisingly. It's not loose on the back like some of my other ones are sometimes, which I don't like. And it definitely fits around the ear. I don't know if everybody else has issues with that, where they have to cut it around the ear, because I have had issues with that, and this one I do not have those issues. So yeah. So like I said, this is The World of Gabrielle hair on Amazon too. Oh, and they're on TikTok. I didn't know that.